Hello guys, I'm back. It's me again, Filipina Engineer. So for today's video, hanapin ko pala yung mga kids. Maglalaro kami ng tumbang preso. So I get a car, no? So let's go. They are coming, guys. Hey, you are laughing now. Before you are not laughing, no? Only serious face.
And this one.
So cute. First make the line. And then slowly na. Ha? When you hit that, you will take one. Ha?
Let me start.
Wait a moment. Go, go, go. Okay, start. Oh! Oh! Hit it, hit it. Wow! Oh! You almost hit. Come. No, okay. Pinta is giving it. They will take it. Okay. Oh, yeah, you can play. Oh. Oh, Binta, it's very near. You see they become very near now, Guys, nandadaya na sila, Lumapit na yung linya nila. Ay! Yeah. Hey! Go far now while you are coming here. Adam, go far. Hey, go hit it. You almost hit it.
Mariam, let's get
Yeah.
this minute.
Oh, Binta is crying. Guys, pamaya-maya nagsusugod sila lahat sa akin. Kinuha nila lahat yung lollipops at candies. What is your complaint?
I want biscuit. You back on me biscuit. Me too. That's me. I win first, second, third.
Wait, come. I will tell you what is this game in our country. This is called tumbang
Hello,
preso.
my name is Adam. I win first and second and third.
No, I'm telling
Thank
you.
you.
Wait, the name of the game is tumbang preso. Tell it.
Tumbang preso. I win tumbang preso.
Tumbang preso.
Tumbang preso. Tumbang preso.
So tell na in our country, you say thank you, Jeff. In our country, it's salamat.
Jeff.
In
our country, we say thank you and Jeff.
In our country, it's salamat. Say salamat.
Salamat. Salamat.
Guys, nag-agawan na lang sila sa pa-premyo ngayon. Papunta ako sa tindahan, bibilan ko yung mga hindi nakakuha. Tingnan niyo sila, oh. Habol-habol pa rin ako. Sabi ko maghintay na lang dun eh. Hey! Hello! This one is very shy boy. Guys, I'm going now, but easy. Yeah. Nag-enjoy ako, guys. Iba pala sa pakiramdam na laruin nila yung tumbang preso natin. Tumbang preso.
Tumbang preso.
I'm going now. You will drop me?
Tumbang preso.
So guys, thank you for watching. Always remember, don't forget that you are amazing.